This rice hair mask is great for strengthening hair from the roots, and you only need 2 ingredients to make this creamy texture that is so amazing on our natural hair. So keep watching this video to see how I make this rice hair mask and also how best to apply it effectively for best result. So to begin, I'm going to start with my rice. Any kind of rice available to you is best, and I'm going to wash it properly with cold water. I mean room temperature water, and then go ahead to add it to my pot and let it steam till it is very tender, and then I will go ahead to blend it. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new and this is your very first time being here, thank you for being here. On this channel, it's all about natural hair and natural beauty remedies, and so I would like you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button to be part of this amazing community we are building here. Like this video to support this channel, and don't forget to drop your suggestions and recommendations in the comment section. So amount of water to kind of keep my hair hydrated, kind of moisturize my hair before going ahead to apply this hair mask. Now rice is very great for hair. I know you must have come across rice water, which is great for not just thickening the hair, strengthening the hair, but also in growing the hair. Now a lot of people who have used rice water for a very long time on their hair has testified that it helps them grow their hair. And no doubt rice is actually great for hair, as it has vitamins and nutrients to nourish our hair strands from the roots, and this will not only strengthen the hair and strengthen the scalp, but it will also encourage hair growth. And so if rice water can encourage hair growth, strengthen our hair, nourish it, why not rice in full? So I decided to try this rice mask and then see how it improves my hair. I am on the journey of growing my hair. I am on the journey of nurturing my natural hair to make sure it is healthy, and so trying out different recipes and different natural hair remedies that can nurture my hair is all that I'm out for. And once I see it is working for my hair, I stick to it. So this is one hair mask that I try once in a while, and especially when I feel like my hair needs more strength, when I feel like my hair needs a strong kind of hair treatment, I go for this rice hair mask. And this is not what I use regularly. I just use it once in a while when I feel like my hair is becoming weak. And so far, whenever I use this rice hair mask, I notice that throughout that period I will experience less breakage. Yes, I will experience less breakage compared to before I use the mask. I also use it on my daughter's hair, and so far her hair is doing great. And so I thought to share with you this amazing creamy rice hair mask that you can add into your hair care regimen. You can use it once in a while in your hair routine to strengthen your hair, whether your goal is to grow your hair longer or maintain a medium sized or short sized hair. This is one mask that will help to strengthen your hair, so you will experience less hair fall, less hair breakage. So try out this rice hair mask. It's very nourishing to the hair, very easy to make, and you only need just two ingredients, which are rice and your hair growth oil. You may not even use hair growth oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil, any carrier oil of your choice that you feel comfortable. You can also add essential oil to it to make it more potent. And so try it out. You'll be amazed at how wonderful this works on the hair. Like your hair is going, you will definitely feel that strength in your hair. You notice that your hair feels stronger than before and will break less. So basically, after applying it on my hair, all over my hair, making sure my hair is fully saturated with it, I just cover my hair with a plastic cap. This is to introduce heat, mild heat to it, so that my hair strands can absorb it better. And then after about 30 to 40 minutes, I wash it off properly. I make sure I rinse it off properly. And I forgot to mention that you need to apply this on clean hair. Like, you need to shampoo your hair properly, make sure it is clean before you apply this. And after about 30 to 40 minutes, rinse it off and follow up with your conditioning treatment, and boom, you are definitely going to love your hair. So thank you for watching this video. I do hope you find it very informative, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Stay healthy, stay beautiful.